Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring GitHub Desktop and Intellij are installed and you're signed into GitHub Desktop. Once signed in, clone the repository in GitHub Desktop or create one there. Cloning gives you a local folder with a Git directory. After clone finishes, open that folder in Intellij with file right arrow open so the IDE loads your project. Make sure GitHub Desktop shows the current branch and recent commits, because you'll switch between the apps to stage, commit, and sync changes. Next, link Intellij to Git. Go to Settings right arrow version control right arrow Git and test the Git executable so Intellij can run Git commands. Now create a feature branch, either in GitHub Desktop branch right arrow new branch or run git checkout be feature name inside Intellij terminal. Consistency matters. Make your edits, then stage and commit often with clear messages. You can commit inside Intellij or in GitHub Desktop. Once ready, push the branch to origin so remote changes exist, and collaborators can review. To finish, push your feature branch to origin and open a pull request using GitHub Desktop's Create Pull Request or the GitHub Web UI. This lets reviewers see changes. After approval, merge the PR, then pull the updated main branch into your local copy and delete the local and remote feature branches. If something goes wrong, commits not showing or push rejected, fetch remotes, verify the remote URL and authentication, and set the upstream with git push uorigin branch name to resolve missing upstream issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.